Good morning, students. The last video, exercise 1.3, 6 sum completed. Now I start with the 7th question. An open box is to be made from a square piece of material 24 centimeter on a side by cutting equal squares from the corners and turning up the sides as shown in figure. Express the volume V of the box as function of x. Open box is given. The side of the box is 24 centimeter. By cutting equal square from the corner and turning up the sides to get cuboid box. So the length of the cuboid is here. The total length value is 24 centimeter. The small square side value is x centimeter. Here also x. Now we find the length of the cuboid. So here x plus x, 2x only. So we need this area only. So 24 minus 2x. So the length of the cuboid is 24 minus 2x and the breadth also same only, 24 minus 2x. The height value is x only. So volume of the box equal to volume of the cuboid. So we know the formula, volume of the cuboid formula, length into breadth into height cubic units. What is the length value here? 24 minus 2x. The breadth value is 24 minus 2x into the height value is x. So now, so this is x into x. What is the answer? X square only. Like that only we write 24 minus 2x into 24 minus 2x equal to 24 minus 2x the whole square only. Here 2 times only, 24 minus 2x the whole square into x. So this is the format of a minus b the whole square. Here what is the a value? A equal to 24, b equal to 2x. What is the formula? A minus b the whole square formula? A square minus 2ab plus b square. What is a here? 24. 24 square minus 2 into a into b plus b square 2x square into the height value is x into x. So 24 square value is 24 into 24, 576 minus 2 into 24, 48, 48 into 2x, 96x. So minus 96x plus 2x the whole square. What is the 2 square value? 4. X square value is x square only into the x. Now multiply throughout the term, multiply by x. So 576 into x, 576x minus 96 into x into x into x square only. So 96x square plus 4x square into x, 4x cube. So arrange the term in higher order only. So 4, first you write 4x cube minus 96x square plus 576x. So this is the volume of the cuboid box. A function f is defined by f of x equal to 3 minus 2x. Find the value of x such that f of x square equal to f of x the whole square. Here f of x value is given. One condition is given. You have to find the value of x. So f of x value is 3 minus 2x. So f of x square equal to 3 minus, here instead of x we substitute x square. So f of x square value is 3 minus 2x square is equal to f of x the whole square. What is the f of x value? 3 minus 2x. So 3 minus 2x the whole square. Now 3 minus 2x square. So this is the format of a minus b the whole square. Here what is the a value? A equal to 3, b equal to plus 2x. So a square 3 square minus 2ab, 2 into a value, then b value is 2x plus b square 2x the whole square. So 3 square value is 9. Now multiply 2 3s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 12 into x, 12x plus, so 2 square value is 4, x square value is So 4x square. Now we have to arrange the same side. Right hand side number. First you write right hand side 9 minus 12x plus 4x square. Write as it is. Now plus 3 in left side only goes to right side means minus 3. Here minus 2x square left side only, it goes to right side means plus 2x square equal to 0. Now add the like terms 4x square plus 2x square. So the answer is 6x square. So x term only x term is there, right as it is, minus 12x. Now add the constant term plus 9 minus 3. So 9 minus 3, what is the answer? Plus 6 equal to 0. So throughout the term divide by 6. So here 6 is common. So divide by 6. Now we get 6x square divide by 6x square. What is the answer? 6 cancel. X square minus 12 divided by 6, 2x, plus again 6 divided by 6 equal to 1 equal to 0. So this is the quadratic equations. Now factorize. Coefficient of x is minus 2. So the sum of the factor is minus 2 and the product value is coefficient of x square into 1. So the product is 1. So what is the factor here? Minus 1 minus 1. The sum of minus 1 minus 1, what is the answer? Minus 2. In product, minus into minus plus 1 ones are 1. So what is the factor? X minus 1 factor. The another factor is x minus 1 equal to 0. Therefore, x minus 1 equal to 0 means what is the x value? X is equal to plus 1. The same only here also. X minus 1 equal to 0 means x value is plus 1. So the value of x is equal to 1.
Ninth question. A plane is flying at a speed of 500 km per hour. Express the distance d traveled by the plane as function of time t in hours. Now let's find the answer.
So ninth question. The given value is speed equal to 500 km per hour. The time equal to t hours. So we know that distance formula, distance equal to speed into time. So what is the speed value here? 500. The time we take t. So 500 into t is the answer.
10th question. The data in the adjacent table depicts the length of woman's forehead and her corresponding height. Based on this data, a student find a relationship between the height and the forehead length as y equal to ax plus b, where a and b are constant. Find first question. Check if this relation is a function. The second one, find a and b. The third one, find the height of a woman whose forehead length is 40 centimeter. Fourth one, find the length of forehead of woman if her height is 53.5 inches.
Question. The first subdivision. Check if this relation is a function or not. Here length is given, length of forehead is x is given, the height is given y value. So draw the arrow diagram. So 35 x value, the corresponding y value is 56, 45 65, 50 69.5 and 55 74. So all the image in x has unique pre-image in y. Therefore this is the relation. 10th question, second subdivision. Find the value of a and b. So in tabular column you take any two pair of values. Here when x is equal to 35, y is equal to 56. Second pair we take when x is equal to 45, y is equal to 65. So what is the equation given? Y is equal to ax plus b. Now substitute, what is the y value here? 56. So 56 equal to x value is 35. 35 into a plus b. So this is the equation number 1. The second equation, what is the y value? The y value is 65. The x value is 45. So 65 equal to 45a plus b. So this is the equation number 2. So this is the linear equation. So using elimination method, you find the value of a and b. Now subtract the equation number 1 minus 2. Now change the sign in second equation. Here plus 65 is there. You change minus. Here also minus. Here also minus. Now add the equation 1 and 2. 56 minus 65. The answer is minus 9. 35a minus 45a equal to minus 10a. Here plus b minus b cancel. Here also minus minus cancel. 10a equal to 9 means what is the a value? A equal to 9 divided by 10. So 9 by 10, what is the answer? The decimal form is a equal to 0.9. So you got the a value, a equal to 0.9. Now we find the b value. Here take the equation number 1. Here we substitute a equal to 0.9. You got the b value. So when a equal to 0.9, equation number 1, we substitute what is the first equation? 56 equal to 35 into 0.9 plus b. So 56 equal to 35 into 0.9. So what is the answer? 31.5. So plus b. So now find the b value. B equal to 56 minus 31.5. So you got the b value. So b equal to 24.5. A equal to 0.9. Third subdivision. Find the height of women whose forehead length is 40 centimeter. So in tabular column, the height of women represented by y. So the length of forehead is represented by x only. Here x value is given. You have to find the y value. So a value is 0.9. B value is 24.5. So what is the equation? Y equal to ax plus b. Now substitute a equal to 0.9 into b value is 40 plus 24.5. Now multiply 0.9 into 40. What is the answer? 36 plus 24.5. Now add the value 60.5 inches. So the height of women is 60.5 inches. Fourth question. Find the length of forehead of women if her height is 53.3 inches. Here the height of the woman is given, that is the y value, y equal to 53.3. You have to find the x value. So here you already find the a value, a equal to 0.9 and b equal to 24.5. So what is the equation here? Y equal to ax plus b. Now substitute y equal to 53.3 is equal to, what is the a value? 0.9 into the x value, right, as it is x, plus the b value is 24.5. So 53.3 is equal to 0.9 into x is equal to 0.9x plus 24.5. Now we have to find the x value. So 0.9x is equal to 53.3. Here 24.5 in right side only, it goes to left side means minus 24.5. 0.9x is equal to 53.3 minus 24.4. The answer is 28.8. So 0.9x is equal to 28.8. Now the x is equal to 28.8 divided by 0.9. Here the multiplication only goes to division only here. So 28.8 divided by 0.9. Now remove the decimal number, multiply 10 and divide by 10 also. So 28.8 multiplied by 10 is equal to 288. 0.9 into 10 is equal to 9. Here 9 table 32 times only 288 is equal to 32. So therefore the length of the forehead value is 32 centimeter.
Thank you students. We will meet the next video.